Good morning! So over the past few months, Douyin trends have been really trending lately. So today we're gonna try and live a holistic Douyin girly lifestyle, starting with exercises. Then we'll do the makeup, do the hair, and also engage in the Photoshop. Let's start off with the exercises first. So I think it's quite evident in most of the Douyin videos that you see, all the girls are very skinny, very pale. That's not something I can really help myself with. There's also some quite obscure things that they're quite obsessed with, like how your shoulder here should be a 90-degree angle, your trapezius muscle showing isn't attractive even though it's normal. So I've picked out a few weirder exercises that target these obscure things, and let me try them out and see if they work. And I'm going to be doing these exercises once every day for 3 days. For the workout videos that I've seen, they're not actually from the Chinese creators. They were actually pulled off from YouTube from other like workout YouTubers. The person posting the content is just copying the movements and sharing it with everybody else. And this first one that I'll be doing is for the shoulders. That neckline. So I've got my sports bra here and we're gonna get to work. I also found a second video that's meant to like get rid of your armpit fat. But we all know that's a myth. You can't have targeted fat loss. That's just not possible. But I thought it was kind of funny, so we're also gonna do that workout. Back at it with day 2 of doing the exercises. Not gonna lie, it's a little bit boring, but also kind of meditative, so it's not the worst thing. Day 3, guys. And yeah, I'm wearing the same shirt. It's my pajamas, so... Also a bit of a disclaimer, most of these videos and pictures that I found are actually from Xiaohongshu, which is China's version of Pinterest and Instagram. But I'm just gonna continue calling it Douyin makeup and like Douyin girls because that's how people normally say it. Okay, so didn't make a difference at all. Just looking at my shoulders here. It looks straight. I don't know if it was any different from before. Obviously, I wasn't really expecting it to work. It was a good experience, actually. It was slightly boring, I'm not gonna lie. But overall, I think these exercises tend to build up your back and your bicep muscles. So it does help with posture. I'm not sure about getting rid of armpit fat or making your shoulder more angular because can't really change your bones, can you? But I think as a meditation exercise, as a back strengthening and also like chest muscle strengthening exercise, it's pretty effective. But before I start, I need to change my eyes. Okay, so they're this like dark blue now. Let's start with a bright orange over here. And I'm just applying the orange shadow all over the first 1/2 of your eyelid. Now let's take this light blue over here. And we're gonna put it on the outside. And try to wing it outwards as well. Now I'm gonna take this white shimmer over here and pack it onto my finger. Then very gently just dab it on the center of your eyelids. Now with a bit of a darker eyeshadow, use it to contour your lash line and also the outer corners. And then add some liquid glitter to your inner corner. And also like over here. Oh my god, I love the color. It looks so cute. I love Chinese makeup. Now I'm just gonna put on some mascara. See, I would try and draw the bottom lashes, but I just wouldn't. It looks bad. I've tried. Okay, makeup is looking very cute. I love it. Although I feel like I should have chosen a warmer tone blush, but too late now. Anyway, let's move on to hair. So I've noticed that a lot of Douyin girls, their hair is very Y2K inspired, a lot of tiny braids, cute bows, hair clips, things like that. So I'm thinking have like a bun up here, you know, like a half up, half down kind of look. Similar to something that I've done before, I'm gonna pull up an Instagram picture and put it on the side. This side or this side, whatever I decide to do in my editing. Alright, so I'm just separating the top section of my hair and I'm gonna tie it up. And I am tying it off into a high pony, or as high as you can get it. I'm gonna be using this hair piece here to make the bun. Just gonna scoop it here. And now just pin everything into place. Probably need like 10, I think. Okay. So I put some of these little hair clips on the bun, and I also put these other ones. This is the hair. I'm trying to give Y2K, like bright, happy, cheery. Something feels off to me. It's kind of cute, I think, but I don't know, something feels off. Like, let me know how I could improve on this. I feel like something's not matching here. Anyways, now we're gonna go and take pictures. Selfies, actually. Okay, so a bit of a life hack for taking selfies. I tend to put my video on 60 frames per second and I put it on the highest possible quality. So I just keep posing, keep doing cutesy stuff. And then after I've made a few minutes of video, I go back, screenshot the pictures that I think look nice, and just go from there. It's a lot easier than having to take one picture at a time or using burst mode and scrolling through individual pictures. Okay, so I've taken the pictures, now we're gonna edit them. And I'm gonna do it on my up-paired. So I'm gonna be using the snow cam. And I've just taken some pictures. Alright, let's start by editing this picture. And for reference, I am going to use this beautiful lady over here and try and go for that small nose, small face, big eyes type of look. As you can see here, oof, I need to trim my bangs a bit better, but we can fix that later on. Right. First off, let's go to beauty and do some of that auto retouching, save myself some work. Very nice. Alright, so let's start with the head size, and I think smaller is better, you know? Smaller, smaller, bigger, bigger, 别看我小，别看我小，小到可以放卡包。What a bop, I love that song. So, just gonna make me a little skinny. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's make the eyes bigger. Yeah, that looks like it could be normal. Okay, eyes up, eyes down. I think it was okay where it was. Eye height. Oh, suddenly so cute. Let's put it at 50. Nose. Okay, nose. Make it narrow, very skinny. Oh, that's too much. I think 15, just a little bit. Alar. No, I think it was fine where it was. Length, I think it's okay. Bridge. Yes, let's make it skinny. 65, very skinny. Wow, I don't even know what this is. Oh, that part, the upper nose bridge. It looks weird when it's skinny, so let's make it slightly thicker. Yeah, that looks natural, I think. Mouth, right. I think they like big, plump lips. I think they like small but plump lips with a cupid's bow. Yeah, yeah. Oh, very cute. Let's just make it a bit more subtle. Alright, yeah. Smile. No, I think I'm smiling enough. I'm a little bit nervous to do a before and after, but let's just see. So this is with my editing, and then before it looks like this. Still kind of cute though, but like different. I'm thinking let's do something with the makeup as well, because the eyelashes are not really eyelashing, so let me add some fake ones. Let's see. Eye color, lip color, beauty mark, eyelashes, yes. I think they like to go for the wispy look, don't they? These are subtle, these are nice, I like that. Now, let's try and like bump up the hair, okay? I'm gonna try and move in this little bump here because it's sticking out a little bit. I want it to look smooth. Bring it down. And let's make the bun here bigger. Could bring out the hair here a little bit more. Make my head look rounder. Okay, this side as well. It looks like a square now. I think that's enough to see the before, after. Okay, I like how it's looking now. Good, good, very good. Now, remember how I said I need to fix my hair because there's so many flyaways? We're gonna go into Snapseed. Ew. We're gonna do healing, yes. Now, gonna zoom right in and get rid of these pesky little strands. Kind of satisfying. Okay, very beautiful. And honestly, this was a lot of fun today, guys. I'm so glad that you guys are here to watch it with me. And since you've stayed till the end, I kind of want to tell you a secret. You know how earlier on in the video I said I did the workout for 3 days? I lied. I didn't do it for 3 days. I just did it 3 times in the same day and changed my outfit and changed my hair. Yeah, I'm really sorry. I mean, it's not like it would have had any results or it would have worked anyway. But yeah, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Leave a comment as well. That's really helpful for me. And thank you guys for watching. Bye!